Hi, I'm Tim from SkyDemon. Welcome to this week's top tip.
The pilot log in SkyDemon has come a long way from the paper ones you used to complete by hand. We complete the complex flight modelling for you, and you choose the columns that are going to be of use to you in flight, before optionally printing it out or creating a briefing pack. Our pilot log is also interactive. You can use it as another way of editing your route. To remove a turning point, just select it and choose Remove. Or to insert a new turning point before Trowbridge, I'll tap on it, choose Insert Turning Point, and find the one I just removed. When you're in flight, the pilot log remains interactive. And you can get to it by tapping the position instrument at the top of the screen. It then shows you when you took off, your flight time so far, and the distance covered. It also makes it very clear which leg is the active one and how far you've got through it. The ETA and ATA column on the right is great for tracking your progress through your route and telling anyone who's interested when you'll reach them.
For our full user manual, go to skydemon.aero and choose Help and Support.